We're going to continue our education on the mineral shock. One of the things that it says here as far as what it can do is also bowl cleaner. Now let me explain the difference here. This is a bowl cleaner. As you saw, we cleaned the basin or the bowl of the sink. Now what we're going to do is we're cleaning the bowl of the urinal. Now, why do I have this? Well, this is a Johnny mop, a bowl mop, however you want to classify it. But the first thing I'm going to do with this is I'm going to remove some of the water that's in the urinal. And you do that by simply pressing down. And what this does is it simply lowers the level of the water in the bowl to expose the ring that builds up with water deposits. And that's what I'm after with my chemical. So what I'm going to do with the chemical is I'm simply going to squirt it in the very same way that we squirted the sinks and the water fountain. Notice I did not spray it. Now one of the things you can do with the product is you can also do this area here, just as we did the other fixtures. You would put the product on, let it sit for no longer than 5 minutes, then you would rinse it off with water. Now, because I don't have a sink and a faucet here, what I would have to use is another sprayer maybe of water, a pump up 1 gallon sprayer full of water, whatever way that you would want to rinse this. But you would rinse this with plain water. That would go on the floor and then you could mop it or vacuum it up. What we're going to do here is let that sit into the urinal bowl, and then we would rub it in with our mop. We can actually cover it here if we wanted to. It's all porcelain. And then you're actually going to get down in here. What we've done at this point is we've covered the whole urinal bowl. We could do this with a toilet bowl as well, but remember, what you need to do is use your mop to evacuate as much water as you can and then put it in. You're not removing all the water, just enough to get it down. Then you would rinse this. And what I do is I just simply use my mop and continue running the water and rinse this all off. At this point, you've used the product in the bowl, you've rinsed it, and you could wipe this down if you wanted to. Whatever gets on the floor, you're simply going to rinse that up with your mop or your vacuum. Here again, this procedure would not be something I would do every day. You would only use this product, the Mineral Shock, only on an occasion when needed.